Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is hash browns. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, the first thing we do is grate the potatoes with a box grater. And watch your fingers, a few people have slipped up doing that. When you've grated the potatoes, place into a bowl of cold water, mix round to release some of the excess starch. Then using a colander or a sieve, drain the potato well. Next, put the potato in a clean tea towel, form into a ball shape, and using the twisting method as you see here, get rid of any other excess moisture you can. My wife was smiling when she was doing this bit. When I asked her why, she said she's just practicing for if I'm late back home from the pub tonight. And the thing is, I'm not sure she's joking. When you've removed all the moisture you can, put the potatoes back in the dry clean bowl, add the salt and pepper and mix through. When this is done, you're ready to cook. To cook these hash browns, heat some oil into a pan to a low to medium heat. Add portion sized amounts of potato mixture in and form into patties. And when this is done, put a lid on the pan, turn the heat down to low and leave for 10 minutes. When the 10 minutes are up, remove the lid from the pan, turn over the hash browns, put the lid back on and cook for a further 10 minutes. And when that time's up, you're ready to serve. As normal, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like and hit the notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.